Hi, good morning everyone. Today I am doing the chassis number W213, that's 2019, and the customer is complaining the engine light is on, and the problem is when I am putting in a drive and try to drive, it's come to neutral. It automatically goes into the neutral. And did you see? When I am putting and when I am trying to put in the drive, you can see here, it's come straight away into the neutral. Look, see, when I am trying to drive, it goes straight away into the neutral and big jerk and goes to the number 3 gear, D3. Same like reverse have a big jerk on there when we driving on there, and that's the problem. And this is the common problem. Look, is going to the number 3 straight away. It's drive, but should be goes D1. When I am trying to put D3, and when I am putting in a drive, it goes to direct D3. When I am putting reverse, it's a big bang, and then is moving. This is the common problem. And when this is a 9G Tronic gearbox, and this is the diagnostic, you can see 725. 2701905, that's the hardware number. And if we're gonna try to read the code, and then you can see what code is coming. This is the code coming, P073E00, reverse gear cannot be engaged. That's the code coming, and this is a very common problem of this chassis. So the problem is inside the Megatronic, like a big plate on there, and is complete plates come with the wall body, and the problem is in the electronics plate. Pressure sensor is faulty. So if you have the problem is like that, you have to call me and send me the code, what code is coming, and you have to bring the car, and we can solve your problem in like 3 to 4 hours. We are in Hounslow, and my postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango, and my name is Terry, 167 Hanworth Road, Hounslow Motor Limited. You can see my review on there, and if you have the problem of this type of thing, you can call me and explain me what is the problem in the car and send me the picture on WhatsApp. So I will come back to you, and we're gonna discuss, and we're gonna fix your car. My phone number is 07402536382. So you can contact me anytime, and we can solve your issue without no problem. You can come and then drop the car, take a cup of coffee, car will be ready in 3 to 4 hours. We will do complete job. Thanks for watching my video.